Hello all, I'm just doing a real quick video. What you see here are the MetaFirst Antiseptic Wipes Extra Large. It comes 20 per box. The nice thing about it is, for me what I'm planning on using it for in this particular moment is my cell phone. A lot of times, depending on what work you're in, your phone can end up getting dirty. We work with books a lot, and as you know, books can really be kind of nasty. So we've touched the phone while we touch the book, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my phone. Clean off the back of my phone with it. And these are actually large. Ooh, there we go, got it. So let me take it off, and it's open. I'm not open, but it's very moist. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and clean off my phone so it can stay nice. Oh, and look, it actually even fits over my phone, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it off so it can stay nice. Clean it off, the case. It's not my actual phone, I'm actually cleaning off my case. So that if there's any germs on it or anything like that that I've gotten from the books, of course, you can use it to clean off pretty much a lot of things, you know? And it looks really nice. Thank you so much for watching.